Dollar, all the sparkle, yen, bottom of the pile. Very interested in longs here, but not from this area here. I need a retracement, a retest to this 61% level. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 8 October 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US dollar, the Swiss and the CAD, and short on the yen, the New Zealand and the Australian dollar. Look at the dollar index stalling a little bit after the big break, big run. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So we could expect a little bit of a sell-off. Now the coup de grace to the move will be this support resistance level here. It's going to retrace and then find support here and bounce upwards, or is it going to break through and then retest? At this stage, the retracement is very small, small-bodied candles, doesn't show change of momentum really, just shows a little bit of resting from the bulls. So if I have to bet money on this now, it seems like it's going to retest and keep going. But anything can change any day, so that's my present scenario. But I will stay long on the dollar. If I look at my short term here, that's definitely dollar bullish. And also my intraday indicator shows dollar bullishness. It's only the medium and the long term that shows me there's still bearishness on those periods, but I don't trade those periods. It's just very nice when they confirm my short-term and intraday charts. If we look at gold, finding support at consolidation lows again, but on a strong dollar, I cannot go long here on any intraday form of chart. So with a strong dollar there, I'm stepping away from this. I will see if it breaks upwards. Obviously, that's a continuation. We had a strong run, consolidation, breakout, run up the page. So for that, I'm going to need a weak dollar before I can participate in that. If the dollar stays strong, most likely this will roll over and come back down to lower levels. So at this stage, I'm sitting, watching, but not doing anything here. Cryptocurrencies, yeah, wow, run up the page, catching a bit and sell off. It's amazing how these things can just not do anything. This consolidation period, I think it's the most frustrating one. We had another one here at this period here. You can see how sideways it went. After that, it just kept going up and then sideways. That's typical markets, you know. When you're in doubt, scroll out. As simple as that to see what you're busy with. But you can see we had a bear trend and then it was so sideways for how long? For about a year and a half. It was just going nowhere. Here we are up 6-7 months now already. But if you look at the bigger trends, it's still up. Every time it goes up, it consolidates and then it runs up the page. So don't screw it up by exiting and doing funny things. It's just a question of looking at the markets, trying to anticipate that we're going to see the break. But at present, it doesn't show it wants to break. It comes back down for some little short-term trades, which I don't do. But this could still retest the whole neckline scenario. So let's see what happens there. Then the US yen, dollar, all the sparkle, yen, bottom of the pile. Very interested in longs here, but not from this area here. I need a retracement, a retest to this 61% level. Once it hits that level and the bulls can prove itself by a nice strong candle reversal, I'll then consider some longs. Seems like it's also making some form of a consolidation period here. So it's busy consolidating, but the breakout may be tomorrow. So today I will focus mainly on the Fibonacci level. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then the Swiss franc yen. Swiss, second strongest currency there is. Yen, bottom of the pile. I want to be long, but I'm not going to buy in right at resistance. So for me, before I will do this, I'm going to see a decent retracement. I'm not saying it will retrace. It's if it retraces back to this area, that's when I will get interested. At this stage, I'm not interested at all buying up at those levels. Then the euro US, still the same as yesterday. Retracement waiting for the 61% level to retest. You can see the structure coming in there. Old level also, but I'm focusing on this most recent one. So when the market retests there, and I get a good strong counter reversal, I'll consider some shorts. You can see the euro is gaining in strength, definitely. So I'm not after the euro, I'm after the dollar long. And shorting this will give me that dollar long. So I'm waiting patiently. So if the euro strengthens more and gets too close to the dollar, then I will rather step aside. But at this stage, euro seems pretty neutral. but the dollar is the strong one, and that's where I want to be long, and I have to short here to get that long. Then the New Zealand CAD, New Zealand red zone, and the CAD green zone. So I want to be short here, but not from the support levels. I'm going to need a decent retracement back to structure here. You can see it's a strong level in the history. So most likely the market will eventually retrace back there, but I will then see what happens with my RS. But when it gets there and the bears can prove themselves by strong counter reversals, I'll definitely look for some shorts. In the US CAD, strong run up the page. Dollar, CAD, yes, both green. I want to be long on both. However, if you look at the dollar against the CAD, it's outperforming by far. CAD's really underperforming the US dollars. It's the only place I can be short CAD is here against the dollar. Other than that, it's stronger than everything else. So when it retraces, or if it retraces back to structure here at 61% level, that's where I will consider some long positions. Aussie Swiss. Aussie definitely losing a lot of sparkle here. It was up number 1 there. Within 2 days, it dropped down to the red zone. So Aussie red zone, Swiss busy gaining a lot. Green zone, brand new trend coming in there. So I'm not going to chase it down. This is the first wave of a new trend, so usually not very strong. What I'm looking for is a retracement back to that 61% level. Structure there, counter reversal. I'll definitely consider some shorts. And also the Aussie CAD, similar scenario. Aussie want to be short here, CAD green zone, no problem, brand new trend, but I'm waiting for a retracement back to the 61% level. Right the structure there. So if it happens and I get a nice confirmation from the bears up there, I'll then look for some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.